Today, we are going to build an adjustable desk and get my office organized. You can do it too, and that is the value that you will find in today's episode. I am here to empower you that you can build, organize, and get your house clean. Let's get into it. So I finally got this adjustable desk at Costco. It's called the Tresanti. I am not familiar with the brand, but all I know is that it's been there for about 8 months or so, and I have had my eye on it. I have been working with a traditional desk for years, and I really know because of myself being a dancer and being kinetic that I really wanted a stand-up desk. So this one, I finally bit the bullet and purchased it. Now at my Costco, it was around $300, which I thought was a pretty fair price. I've seen some for a little bit less and for a little bit more. But this one, it has a glass top, super easy to put together. Obviously, you can see that my cat Mozart really likes the box as well. Here's Mozart. This is what Mozart does. Mozart just hangs out in my office in my chair. So as you can see with my current desk situation, I've just got my desk and I've got my chair. So when I wanted to stand up, what I would have to do is I would have to get this computer stand and then I would stick it like so. And so this is pretty comfortable. I didn't mind working like this, but I use my mouse all the time. And so then I realized I can't lean over and use my mouse. So then I thought, well, this is an inexpensive solution. So I would put that on my desk and then be able to use my mouse. And that worked out fine, except it just adds a lot of clutter to my space. And as you know, I don't like clutter. So I'm hoping that I can donate this. I'll reuse the bin somewhere. And then with my adjustable desk, I'll just be able to go up and down super easily. It has a press button and I'm really excited. I think it's going to be a super useful product for me. I will let you know because we're going to put it together. Here I am pulling the box apart and getting out all the supplies. This literally took me no time at all. The glass part is heavy, so I did have my son help me put it on the bed. The base just comes in one part. You screw it on, and then the legs are in 2 other parts. Very easy. So I have the whole desk laid out. And I actually am the personality that does read the instructions. So I'm going to do that. Okay, not too bad at all. I've got that first part attached. Now I'm going to put the feet on. I've got this. So I finished the desk. I'm going to flip it over here in a minute. That took me about 30 minutes, super easy. All it was about 20 screws total with the Allen wrench. We are going to clear off all of this. I am gonna have to rehome some of these items in my desk, but that's okay. Let's get this moved. I got my desk into place and now I'm just getting my computer set up for it. I had to purchase just a new little drawer organizer and I got that at the Container Store and it's perfect. Now I just put my cute little chair over here so that if somebody wants to come and talk to me while I'm in my office, they can sit cozy right there, or I can pull it down and use it when I'm sitting at my desk. I am absolutely loving this new adjustable desk. It is so cool and so easy to use and literally took me 30 minutes to put together. You can do it on your own. You just need help flipping it. So the next thing I want to do in my office organization is I need to flip these shelves. So since I lost some space in my new desk, I'm gonna have to put some of those supplies over here. So I want them a little bit higher up because I need to access these more frequently than I do these files. So if you look around my office, all of my books are exposed. Now for me, I need this to be visual, especially here in my office where I need to access resources and teaching materials. If I put closed doors on it, then it's kind of like out of sight, out of mind, and then I forget it's there, even though it's right here in my office. So this may not look very organized to some people, but for me, this is how my brain works. So in this specific area, I have to have everything exposed so that I can see it, be able to grab my materials and then work. Some people, it would drive them crazy and they need it to be covered, and that's perfectly fine if that's how their brain works. So my office is finally done. As we scanned my office, what I had to do was really pick up papers that were on my surfaces. I keep a lot of things on my bulletin board since I am a visual person. I scooted my chair to the side, and I can use that when I bring my desk down. My daybed's all straightened up, and my bookshelves are all straightened in a way that makes sense to me. It feels great to have this office clean. Thank you for joining me on Organize with Ann. If there's one thing you can take from today's episode, is please remember how capable you are. Projects can be difficult, but try to figure them out. Organizing can be hard, but you can do it. Decluttering can be time-consuming, but it makes you have a better life. Please remember to like and subscribe, and that you can do hard things.